Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Zabbix agent for VPS uptime tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Zabbix official website. Look for the download section on the home page. Select the latest stable version of Zabbix. Scroll down until you find the Zabbix agent option. Choose the appropriate agent version for your operating system. Now, locate the installation instructions for your OS. If you're using a Linux-based VPS, select the relevant package for your distribution. For Debian or Ubuntu, open your terminal. Use the command to update your package list. Now, install the Zabbix agent using the command provided on the website. If you are using CentOS or RHEL, open your terminal. Add the Zabbix repository to your system. Install the Zabbix agent using the command listed on the Zabbix site. For Windows users, download the zip file for the Zabbix agent. Extract the files to a directory on your VPS. Next, configure the Zabbix agent by editing the configuration file. Set the server address to your Zabbix server's IP address. Save and close the configuration file once your changes are complete. Now, start the Zabbix agent service. If you're on Linux, use the command to start and enable the service at boot. For Windows, navigate to the Services panel and start the Zabbix agent service. Ensure the Zabbix agent is running correctly. Check your Zabbix server's web interface for the new agent. That's how you download and set up a Zabbix agent for VPS uptime tracking. You now have Zabbix monitoring set up to keep your system's uptime in check. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.